Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a color, a pure and pristine hue that appears in nature, particularly in snow, clouds, and certain flowers. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as white. White. The letter H is silent. White. White can be made by using pure pigments or by combining all colors of light. It's the result of light reflecting off surfaces without absorbing any color, creating a bright and neutral tone. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about white, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.